A New Agenda for Peace is a visionary document. It's forward-looking, and it's a report for our times because it outlines what the current threats are in a very sober and realistic way. We face the climate emergency. We face a breakdown in commitments to international law. We face a growing number of conflicts. The statistics are really quite alarming. What A New Agenda for Peace tries to do is to boldly outline a vision for moving forward and to try and respond to some of these many threats. The world is more complicated. We have many more new technologies, for instance, that are being weaponized. So we need new solutions. We live in a village. The impact in one place will go and impact another place. You cannot treat the climate emergency, for instance, as something that can only be treated between a few countries' borders. It is a global problem. The weaponization of new technologies is a global problem. Misinformation and disinformation, the use of hate speech, these are issues that are impacting across the border. One is an increased re-emphasis on diplomacy for peace, on how do you use the United Nations as the ultimate global arena for resolving some of these issues. Use the United Nations as the ultimate global arena for resolving some of these issues. A second area is how to do conflict prevention better. So not just when the conflict has started, but to anticipate where there may be conflicts and try and prevent those. You need to make sure that your process is quite inclusive, that it has a whole range of different actors, because when you clinch the deal, when you have the agreement, if you have the widest set of actors who agreed to it, chances are that your deal is going to be sustainable, that you will have a long-term peace. When you have peaceful societies, it usually means that everyone in that society is in some ways trying to do their bit, whether they are activists, whether they are working in a civil society organization, or whether they are going to work and acting as responsible citizens and having a voice. I think we're all required to do our bit.